Okay, so I have this beautiful Honda CB650F for sale. The only reason I'm selling it is because I bought an adventure bike. I'm traveling around Australia. This bike is fantastic. It's so much fun. It rides well, handles well, it's super zippy and quick. Okay, so yeah, have a look at the acceleration. It's an inline-4 motor, so it has plenty of power. It's just so much fun to ride. There's really no, you don't need any more power. If you're like just going from A to B, commuting, being in a city, around town, or even if you go further out, as long as you're not on the racetrack, you literally don't need anything faster than this. This is fantastic. Has plenty of power. It's so much fun. Okay. Yeah, you can see the acceleration on this bike is insane. Okay. There you go. So overtaking cars or trucks or whatever else you have to do is just a breeze. So currently it says 8,588 kilometers. This thing has been replaced before. So it was previously on 30,000. Once it has been replaced, it went down to 0. So it has roughly 38,000 Ks on the clock. But since it's in a Honda, it's obviously very reliable. Rides like a dream, never had any issues. Also just got some new road tires as well. Carbon exhaust. So yeah, it's just a lot of fun. It just rides fantastic, especially around town or suburbia. It's quick, it's easy, it's fun.